Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. President Draupadi Murmu says modern technological tools like artificial intelligence can be used for making life easier, but also poses threats like deep fake. Massive fire erupted engulfing prominent establishments, the SJUKK flour mill. Health Minister Ampreen Lingdor conducted a pivotal meeting with Ribhoi traditional body. UDP to finalize candidates for Lok Sabha elections within 1 month, says Paul Lingdor. And India's first premier gaming festival held in Shillong. The news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu has said that modern technological tools like artificial intelligence can be used for making life easier, but at the same time it poses a social threat like deep fake. To overcome this, moral-based education can be shown as the direction, she said. President was addressing the 111th convocation ceremony at Rashtrasan Tughdoji Maharaj, Nagpur University today. While mentioning the significant number of female students getting degrees in this convocation, the President informed that the Rashtrasan Tughdoji Maharaj Nagpur University has more than half of female students out of the total 80,000 students who graduated today.
इस दीक्षांत समारोह के दौरान ग्रेजुएशन और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन की डिग्री प्राप्त करने वाले सभी विद्यार्थियों को मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देती हूँ। मुझे बताया गया है कि डिग्री प्राप्त करने वाले करीब 80,000 विद्यार्थियों में आधी से ज्यादा बेटियां हैं।
In the early hours of December 2nd, a massive fire erupted in Shillong's Garikhana locality, engulfing one of the prominent establishments, the SJUKK flour mill. Fire services swiftly responded to the alarming incident, effectively dousing the flames. Fortunately, no casualties have been reported. The cause of the fire remains unknown, prompting an ongoing investigation into the circumstances that led to this destructive blaze. The authorities are actively probing the incident to ascertain the root cause of the fire outbreak. According to the police, the incident occurred at 12:30 a.m. The reason for the fire is yet to be ascertained. In a concerted effort to enhance healthcare provisions in Ribhoi district, Dr. Ampreen Lingdor, Minister in charge of Health and Family Welfare, conducted a pivotal meeting on Friday with the Ribhoi traditional body SJUKK Rangbachnong Ribhoi district. During the meeting, the SJUKK Rangbachnong Ribhoi district presented a memorandum to the Health Minister urging proactive measures to address health issues in the district. The memorandum highlighted several critical matters, including the enhancement of healthcare services in Ribhoi district. The meeting was also attended by the local MLA of Nongpo and chairman of the State Health Advisory Board, Meryl Bonds Aim, Ribhoi DC Arprit Udhapia, among others.
Pentikna naka liang jongka kenat hakabadi bergejing nang penbhai gejing sumar haki sub center baneki health and wellness center gejing Pogribo district kumjuru gejing kentiu kerdan ni sub center syaki PHC gejing kentiu kerdan ni PHC syaki CHC bat kumjuru ya gejing nang penbhai susu gilat jing sumar haki CHC beper.
UDP leader and Cabinet Minister Paul Lingdor on Friday said that the process of identifying the Lok Sabha candidates will be completed within a month's time. Speaking to reporters, Lingdor said as far as UDP is concerned, we have already gone ahead with the process of identifying our candidate. He also said that the former Hinyotrep Youth Council HYC President Robert June Karjarin is one of the individuals who have expressed interest in contesting from the Shillong parliamentary seat. He further said that the preparation for the MDC election is going on in full swing. The State Election Committee has already met a couple of times.
far as the UDP is concerned, we've already gone ahead with the process of identifying our candidate, and the process should be through in the next 1 month or even less than that. Yeah, we are going on in full swing. The State Election Committee has already met a couple of times, and we should be in a position to have at least the preliminary list of candidates ready by January end.
India's first premier gaming festival is being held in Shillong. The two-day event was inaugurated by Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh. Speaking on the occasion, Lyngdoh said that the gaming industry is growing bigger and there is ample scope for the youth to showcase their skills. The event is being participated by 8 teams, including 4 from India, while teams from Philippines, Malaysia and Singapore are also participating in the event, and prizes worth 40 lakhs are in offer for the participants.
And they have captured it back. To be honest, we asked me
The office of the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District on Friday unfolded a significant event at Shillong's Wards Lake as it became the venue for the Water Heritage Fortnite. The initiative brought together village executive councils (VECs) from various villages across the East Khasi Hills district, spotlighting the crucial importance of water preservation and conservation in daily life. During the program, a noteworthy segment included the felicitation of 11 VECs representing the East Khasi Hills blocks by the DC RM Kurba. This acknowledgement aimed to honor their contributions to water conservation efforts within their respective areas. In her address, Kurba emphasized the alarming disappearance of streams and rivers due to advancing civilization.
DC presidents Shillong kami berani Kibewan Hangasni banyak celebrate ya kata water heritage Fortnite kebalakut menen but ni kumbala bapai menen ni celebrate negara sini ya penhap lang but ya all India bagi celebrate negara sini.
The Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency on Friday organized an orientation and awareness program on renewable energy at Mikofit Hall, Nongston. The resource person of the program included Nuya Stonely Warba and George A. Lyngdoh, while the District Project Officer of Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency, Nongston, Elizabeth Khajana, highlighted the benefits of solar lighting system, solar water pump and about the scheme given by the government to the beneficiaries. The program was also attended by the village, headmen, school students, teachers, members of the society, among others. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh on Friday termed the notification issued by the department that a non-Khasi wife is allowed to obtain a scheduled tribe certificate as strange. Speaking to reporters, Lyngdoh said that he has called for the relevant file and I will go through the details accordingly. He, however, said that it is strange such a notification has been issued because in the process of legislation, once a bill has been passed by the council and has got the assent of the governor, it means that it has gone through the process of being scrutinized by the state government.
It is strange that such a notification has been issued because in the process of legislation, once a bill has been passed by the council and has got the assent of the governor, it means that it has gone through the process of being scrutinized by the state government. And no notification should ever, be in a position to dilute any piece of legislation, especially an act that has got the assent of the governor of the state.
The SJUKK, one of the women organization in Shillong, celebrated its Platinum Jubilee at a function organized at Step by Step School on Saturday. Professor Badap Limwar was the chief guest in the presence of former principal of Shillong College, Kong MPR Lingdo, invitees, office bearers of the SJUKK and other dignitaries. The SJUKK was founded 75 years ago in 1948, 1 year after India attained independence.
Kami masuk, ya ganu kasih, kalau koi halu kayuk sansnya, dihakan ya, bur kita berkiam, ibahagian itu teng-teng, nasai saya berkat kita kau penting tu terbawa ni ya, nasai blok kali di teng-teng saya presiden sekretari hak ye no, hiok kolom ni si orang berbuat, teng-teng lekut balik sini bulan puas, hak teknologi.
Embracing the spirit of World Disability Day, the Association of People with Disability, or APD, in Ribhoi district marked the occasion on Friday with a fervent celebration featuring diverse programs. The commemorative event took place at So Nidan village with Shanlang Dingdo, the General Secretary of FKJGP North Khasi Hills District Unit, gracing the occasion as the chief guest. The president of APD Ribhoi, Bluti Shah Nongbet, alongside parents and differently abled individuals from Ribhoi district, were also present to partake in the festivities. The day's celebration in Ribhoi was adorned with various competitions, including dancing and singing competitions, as well as lineup of diverse programs aimed at fostering inclusivity and raising awareness. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 21.4 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 12.3 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 55%, while in the evening it was 67%. Forecast: dry weather with shallow to moderate fog is very likely to occur at isolated places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. President Drupadi Murmu says modern technological tools like artificial intelligence can be used for making life easier, but also poses threats like deepfake. Massive fire erupted engulfing prominent establishments, the Magic Cook Flour Mill. Health Minister Amrin Lingdo conducted a pivotal meeting with Ribhoi traditional body. UDP to finalize candidates for Lok Sabha elections within 1 month, says Paul Lingdo. And India's first premier gaming festival held in Shillong. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.